Email is still one of the highest ROI marketing channels out there, but only if your emails actually reach people. You can write the perfect subject line, build a beautiful campaign, and set up the cleanest automation in the world. But none of that matters if your emails land in spam or never get delivered at all. That's where deliverability comes in. In this video, we're walking through how to properly set up email deliverability in GoHighLevel. We'll cover how to configure a dedicated sending domain, how SPF, DKIM, and DMARC actually work, and how to fix common issues that cause emails to go to spam. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsker, and here on Ecom Mastery, the goal is simple. Make sure your tools are helping you make money, not silently working against you. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clean, compliant email setup that gives your campaigns the best chance of landing in the inbox. Why email deliverability matters more than ever. Deliverability isn't about sending emails. It's about being trusted. Inbox providers like Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook don't care how legit your business is. They care about signals. Is this domain authenticated? Does the sender follow best practices? Do recipients engage with these emails? Are people marking them as spam? Starting in 2024, major inbox providers tighten requirements for anyone sending marketing or bulk email. If you're sending at scale and don't have proper authentication in place, your emails may be routed straight to spam, throttled or delayed, rejected entirely. Deliverability is no longer optional. It's table stakes. Why you should use a dedicated sending domain. One of the biggest mistakes people make is sending marketing emails from their main business domain. A dedicated sending domain isolates your marketing reputation from everything else. That way, a bad campaign doesn't hurt your main domain. Transactional emails stay protected. You can warm up and manage reputation intentionally. Instead of sending from yourstore.com, you send from something like mail.yourstore.com. Using a subdomain is the safest and most common approach. Setting up a dedicated sending domain in GoHighLevel. Now let's walk through the setup process step by step. First things first, if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, you can click the link down below in the description to get started with an extended 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel. Just click on the link and click on Start an Extended Free Trial to go ahead and get that 30-day free trial. Step 1, choose your sending subdomain. So pick a subdomain specifically for marketing emails. Keep it simple and consistent. Examples would be mail.yourstore.com. Avoid using your root domain directly. Step 2, add the domain in GoHighLevel. So inside of GoHighLevel, go to Settings, navigate to Email Services, select Dedicated Domain and IP, click Add Domain, enter your chosen domain. Once added, GoHighLevel will generate DNS records that you need to add to your domain provider. So inside of GoHighLevel, we'll go ahead and click on Settings. We'll go ahead and click on Email Services. And right here, it's actually giving us a little notification here to create that dedicated domain, which is exactly what we want to do. So this is where you'd go ahead and enter that subdomain right there. Step 3, add DNS records at your domain provider. So GoHighLevel will give you several records to add, usually including SPF, which is a TXT record, DKIM, which is CNAME or TXT records, DMARC, which will be TXT records, and occasionally MX or verification records. You'll add these in your DNS provider, such as Cloudflare, GoDaddy, or Namecheap, wherever you got your domain. Once added, allow time for DNS propagation. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours. Understanding SPF, DKIM, and DMARC without the headache. Now, these sound technical, but their purpose is simple. Prove you're allowed to send email from your domain. SPF. Who is allowed to send? SPF tells inbox providers which servers are authorized to send email for your domain. GoHighLevel will provide an SPF record that includes its sending infrastructure. Important rule. You should only have one SPF record per domain. If you already have one, you must merge GoHighLevel's include into the existing record, not create a second one. A broken SPF setup is one of the fastest ways to hurt deliverability. DKIM. Proving the email wasn't altered. DKIM adds a digital signature to every email you send. GoHighLevel signs the message using a private key. Inbox providers verify it using a public key stored in your DNS. The signature matches, the email's trusted. This protects your emails from being modified in transit and is required by most providers for bulk sending. DMARC, telling inbox providers what to do. DMARC ties everything together. It tells inbox providers whether SPF or DKIM must pass, what to do if they fail, where to send reports. A basic DMARC record might start with P, which equals none, monitoring only. As you gain confidence, you can move to P equals quarantine, where send failures to spam. P equals reject, block failures entirely. DMARC reports are incredibly useful for diagnosing issues, even if you never read every line. Verifying your setup. Now, once records are added, use GoHighLevel's built-in verification tool, or check externally using tools like MX Toolbox, and all records must pass before sending real campaigns. If verification fails, double check. Record values, quotation marks, extra spaces, and duplicate SPF records. Warming up a new sending domain. Even with perfect authentication, you can't just blast thousands of emails on day one. New domains need time to build trust. A realistic warm-up approach. Week 1, send a few hundred emails total, only to highly engaged contacts. Week 2, increase volume gradually. Still focus on recent openers and clickers. Weeks 3 to 4, expand slowly to broader segments. Week 5 to 6, work toward normal sending volume. Engagement matters more than volume during this warm-up. Opens, replies, and clicks build reputation. List hygiene and best practices. So deliverability is half technical, half behavior. List hygiene. Bad lists kill deliverability. Best practices. Use double opt-ins when possible. Remove hard bounces immediately. Suppress inactive contacts. Avoid buying or scraping lists. Or sending to people who don't want your emails is the fastest way to spam. Content that helps inbox placement. Spam filters analyze content just as much as settings. So avoid overly aggressive subject lines, excessive punctuation, all caps, misleading promises. Instead, write like a human. Be clear about value. Match subject line to content. Include a visible unsubscribe link. GoHighLevel automatically inserts unsubscribe links, but always confirm that they're working. Promotions tab versus spam. Know the difference. Landing in Gmail's promotion tab is normal for marketing emails. Landing in spam is not. Promotions still get delivered. Spam doesn't. If you want better engagement, encourage subscribers to reply. Ask them to add your sender to contacts. Send relevant, segmented campaigns. Inbox providers reward engagement. Troubleshooting common deliverability issues. High bounce rates. If bounce rates spike, verify list quality, remove invalid addresses, use email verification tools before importing contacts. Spam complaints. If people mark your emails as spam, reduce sending frequency, improve targeting, make unsubscribing easier. Spam complaints hurt fast and recover slowly. DMARC alignment failures. Your from domain must align with SPF and DKIM domains. If DMARC reports show failures, then check domain alignment. Ensure that DKIM is signing the correct domain. Adjust DKIM and ASPF settings if needed. Alignment issues are common and fixable once identified. Example, real GoHighLevel domain setup. All right, let's say your main domain is yourstore.com. You create mail.yourstore.com for marketing. In GoHighLevel, add the domain. Copy provided DNS records. In your DNS provider, add SPF record, including GoHighLevel. ADM, add DKIM, CNAME record, add DMARC TXT record with P equals none, and after verification, send test emails to Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook. Begin warm-up schedule. Monitor engagement and bounces. Over time, inbox placement stabilizes and campaigns perform consistently. Email deliverability doesn't have to be mysterious or overwhelming. If you use a dedicated sending domain, properly configure SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, warm up your domain responsibly, maintain clean lists, send relevant content, then GoHighLevel becomes a powerful email engine, not a deliverability liability. So take the time to set this up correctly once, and you'll save yourself months of frustration later. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, you'll find that link down in the description to get started with that extended 30-day free trial. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And it's this support that really helps keep the channel going. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.